Hey guys, welcome back. If you're thinking today's video looks a lot like yesterday's video, it's because we are literally starting this one right after the last one ended because Clarkman wants to build this set immediately. This is the one that Abner sent us. This is Lego Spider-Man set 76133, Spider-Man Car Chase. 52 pieces. It's 4 and up. This one has a punch tab. I'm gonna go ahead and punch it, okay? Not a really strong punch, just a poke through. One thing that I noticed, no, I won't say it. Notice where that punch tab is, guys. What side of the box is that on? Mysterious. Okay, inside here, we've got,
here's the part of the
you know what I love about Juniors, aka 4+? No stickers, guys.
Look at this.
We got a base.
Yeah,
We've got a manual. Not folded. I'm telling you, when I don't buy sets, we get flat manuals.
And we got 2 bags.
Bag 1. Bag 2.
But they're not numbered.
Said it's 52 pieces. How are we gonna figure this out?
What's the menu?
Oh, okay.
We're in the countryside of the 11 seas. We're in the countryside.
Remember how I showed you how to open these bags?
You rip this thing down?
Yeah. Dude, you did it. We did drop a piece though. It's definitely a brickitect video.
I believe I did it.
Yeah, man. Talk about being organized.
Yeah.
We are the kings of organization. And that bag too.
And this side,
why don't we try to move these pieces over here? And we still have mail time stuff out here, of course.
But how I ripped this?
Maybe do it right over the table here, just in case it actually does open up.
Right here?
Yeah, that's good.
Is that right? You rip it?
Yep, try to rip it where it kind of tears at the top there. You can do it, Clark. You can do it. It's funny when you have an easier time building a set than opening the bags from it.
Why is this one not going to open?
How about I help? I'll do a tutorial again for you, okay? See this at the top here where that's kind of like jaggy? You just kind of rip right there, and then you come down through there and dump them out.
Body. Ah! It's a brickitect.
Again?
Yeah, it's a body video.
We dropped 2 pieces before we even started building.
The torso.
Are you serious?
Like,
We would just start building on the floor. What do you think? Oh, you okay?
ow, ow, ow.
R.I.P. Clark. He lived a short life, but a good life. He died doing what he loved to do, building Lego sets. What's this guy's name right here?
Green Goblin.
Yeah, you're right.
Green Goblin.
Green Goblin.
I'm Mr. Green Goblin.
Ooh, he's scary, isn't he?
Yeah, and here's my bag full of me. I'm stealing it.
Wow. You gotta build this guy. I don't know his name.
Spider-Man.
Oh, okay.
It's Spider. It's like he attacks you. Oh, he does have a spider web in that.
Mm-hmm.
Spider-Man eat that. Don't spoil it. Spider-Man detectors are triggered. Spider-Man
Nice. Spider-Man does whatever Clarkman does.
Look at this, he's hanging.
Dude. He's like, don't drop me like the rest of the pieces. No. All right, let's get into. Ooh, look at that accessory.
Yeah.
It's a flaming pumpkin.
It's a flaming pumpkin.
Yeah, man.
Why is it on fire?
You don't have a Lego set until you have a flaming pumpkin inside of it. Dude.
Is he a fireman or somebody?
He's not a fireman, no. Okay. Now you're on to the main part of the build, which you already have.
We need 2.
That is step 1. Step 1 is literally getting this piece. I love it.
We put these blue pieces here.
Are you looking at the instructions?
Yeah, and those blue pieces go there.
Yep. You want me to be your page flipper?
Yeah.
Okay. Step 2 is done.
Now we need that.
Yep.
Is this going to be the front?
I think that is the back. No, maybe it is the front, actually. Yeah. Yeah, because that piece is right there. You know better than me.
Yeah, look at that.
Looking good.
Perfect.
Now, what's on this step?
That square.
Mm-hmm.
It goes right there.
You're a boss builder, Clark, man.
Yeah, and now
You got that black one?
And was it the steering wheel? Where's that black piece at?
Right here.
Black piece goes there.
Yeah.
And maybe this piece go.
What is this, a speed build?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, Clark. You're flying through this thing.
And look at that. Spider.
That looks good. Okay, steering wheel.
I got it here. Like that.
Nice. What's next on step 8?
Those. What goes underneath this blue soap?
Nothing, surprisingly. I was looking there too. I was like, wait, something should be under there, but it's nothing.
But why does it have to be pointing up like that?
I think they're trying to make it easy for little dudes like you to build this.
But what goes underneath?
Nope, it's just empty, blank. What's on this step?
That.
Okay. Look at this guy going. This is easy compared to polybags, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh no.
Trying to get the shots here for everybody.
This soap fell off.
Oh no. They should have put something under it, huh?
Yeah. I think that's the way it's supposed to be.
Yep, that looks good. Step number 10. You got that piece and that piece to put on there. The red one.
We need this?
Nope, not that far up. Look at the picture. I'm not going to help you too much with this.
It goes right there.
Yeah. And then the yellow one goes behind that.
The yellow piece.
Mm-hmm.
Look at that.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, now you need fire to come out of the back. I know you can do that step.
It's supposed to be like that.
Mm-hmm.
Like that. Pointing. Where's the other fire?
There should be another one there.
Where is it?
Oh, it's in the manual. Whoa. Back piece goes on next. Okay. Yeah, that's an easy one.
Yeah.
2x4 red brick. Nope, not that one. That one. That's cool. What's next on here?
We need those.
Mm-hmm. That's a new piece. We don't have that in our collection at all. Ooh, I used to say that to Mrs. Brickitect every time we opened an advent calendar build back when we started getting back into Lego again. I'm like, we don't have that in our collection, and she got so triggered because I'd say that every day. We got this next.
Maybe a little blue piece.
Mm-hmm.
Goes there.
Yes, sir. And now you need the roll bar type thing.
That's for Spider-Man to hang on when he flips out.
Oh, good call. Oh, I know you can do the next spot. This right here is your favorite step. Step 17, the wheels and rims. Come around here and try to get the better angle.
I can't put the rims on.
What? Do it how Dad showed you.
Like on the Evermail time.
Yeah. You got to put all that Clark weight into it. The full Clark man.
Yeah.
Good job, dude. 2 more.
Bah! Booyah!
Booyah! There's 3.
Last one.
Yeah.
Actually, we're going for camp today.
Oh no, you got those on backwards, little boss.
They're supposed to be like
Yeah, the
that.
rims go on the outside. There you go. That's how you do it.
I thought that was the right way.
No, you got it. Now you got to put a bumper on the front. Let me see.
Yeah.
Bumper goes like that, and then it flings down like that.
And now that.
Now you got to build the Green Goblin's
Right.
flyer. Yeah. What's this on his head?
He like frightened or somebody.
I'd be scared of him if he came with a giant spider web on his head like that. Maybe he can drag this behind him. Can we get a stud here? Can I get a stud? There we go. That's cool. Watch us. Dude, you're flying right through that thing, huh?
Yeah.
I'm just letting you go on this one. Wait, you need to flip the page.
And and this thing goes on top.
Okay.
And the flyers like that.
Okay.
And one last thing. And done.
Let's just make sure. Oh yeah, and his money bag goes on the back if you want to put it on there.
Hang off his back.
Mm-hmm. Oh no. Green Goblin's taking over the city. You know what I need to do? Skirt! What am I driving over? Mail tech stuff? What is that? Oh well. Let's go. Oh, I just ran into some more pieces for mail time. It's a disaster here in New York City. Traffic jams everywhere. I'm going around this way. You know, being in Sky isn't safe from Spider-Man.
You never get back.
Villains these days are such cowards. I guess I'll just hang out over here by this box and tell everyone. Ah, got you! Yes! There you go. Hey! Wow.
Dead.
There you go, guys. That is Green Goblin set number 76133. Green Goblin beats Spider-Man car chase. 4 and up. Proven by Clarkman that he can build it. Did a good job.
And he made Green Goblin dead.
Demonetized. Now I guess we get to clean up all the stuff for mail time that happened yesterday. Since we're time travelers.
Can you get me that view?
Oh yeah.
It'll do a big jump.
Okay.
I don't need spider web. I can jump by my hands. Woo!
Hey, you want to say thank you to Abner for sending this to us again?
Thank you, Abner. I'm flying. Woo! Because my fire is making me fly. Oh no, he's catching up to me. I'm faster. I'm out of here.